Welcome to our channel, where we show you how to keep your car looking brand new. In this video, we'll be discussing how to properly polish your car. Swirl marks are a common problem that can make your car look dull and unattractive. But with the right tools and techniques, you can easily remove them and restore your car's shine. The first thing you'll need is a dual-action polisher. This tool is essential for removing swirl marks and other imperfections from your car's paint. You'll also need a polishing pad. This pad is used to apply the polish to your car's paint. And of course, you'll need some car polish. We recommend using a high-quality polish that's specifically designed for your car's paint. Before you start polishing your car, you'll need to wash it thoroughly to remove any dirt or debris that could scratch the paint. Once your car is clean and dry, you're ready to start polishing. Apply a small amount of polish to the pad, and then use the dual-action polisher to work the polish into the paint. Be sure to work in small sections, and use a light touch to avoid damaging the paint. Once you've finished polishing, wipe off any excess polish with a microfiber towel. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can easily polish your car and restore its shine. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more car care tips and tricks.